Today we're making honey graham cutout cookies. These are so delicious you won't need to buy graham crackers anymore. You can cut them into any shape and ice them how you prefer. You're going to whip your butter until it's silky smooth and then begin adding in your brown sugar. Mix that completely so that there are no lumps. The cookie dough will then become smooth. You're going to add in an egg and beat that in very well. You can see the mixture is on a medium speed so that everything combines well. And then scrape down the bowl so you combine everything before adding in your honey. And then you're going to add in your vanilla extract. Then you're going to put in your cinnamon and mix that all together till it's all combined. And again, when you're finished, turn the mixer off and scrape down your bowl completely if anything has stuck to the side of the bowl. You want to make sure that gets mixed in really well. The batter will be smooth. Then add in your flour, baking powder. There's two types of flour and wheat germ into this cookie dough. Beat it really good. You'll know that it's the right consistency when the cookie dough pulls away from the sides. If it does not and it's sticky and it leaves all residue on your hands, then you know add a little bit more flour, about a tablespoon at a time. The dough should hold up on its own. Like you can see me rolling it and pressing it. That's the texture of dough you'd prefer. Then you're going to roll it out in between wax paper sheets with a rolling pin until it's about 1/4 of an inch thick, and press your cookie cutter into the cookie dough, creating all the cookie shapes you'd like. And then scoop up those with an offset spatula and place them on your cookie sheet for baking. These bake up nice and quick, and before you know it, you'll have beautifully baked graham cracker cookies. You can spread icing on them and decorate them with glaze icing or royal icing. You can enjoy them plain, or you can dip them in some melted chocolate, which is so delicious. And get this and all my recipes at createdbydiane.com. Thank you.